Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the RedGear G20 gaming keyboard and mouse combo. Now on the top side of the packaging, you can see the gaming keyboard as well as the mouse being pictured, so you know what you're getting. On the right, we come to know that it uses a USB interface and that it is compatible with both Windows 10 as well as Mac devices. On the sides, we just have a little bit of RedGear branding. The front side has the name of the combo, and the same can be said about the back side as well. On the underside, we get to see all the specifications and more details. So over here, you have the contact information for the company that's importing it, a little note regarding e-waste management. And then you have the specifications for the keyboard as well as the mouse. Let's go through the keyboard first. This is a full-size backlit keyboard. So you have 104 keys, and you can obviously see the lighting. Power consumption is around 100 milliamps. And because it uses USB, you're just consuming 5 volts. Size is 44.4 centimeters by 13.5 centimeters by 2 centimeters. And the weight is 640 grams. Each switch is rated for 5 million presses, which is quite average. And the total travel distance of each key or each switch happens to be 3.6 millimeters. Coming to the mouse, you have 7 programmable buttons, of which, let's say, one of them is the DPI switch. You have customizable, do you have one or two? It seems they might have two. You have customizable RGB, and the switches on the mouse happen to be rated for 10 million clicks. There is a DPI indicator for indicating the different levels. You've got large PTFE feet underneath the mouse. It uses, again, USB 2 for the interface, and the cable is 1.8 meters long. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. You have a little user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand what all features your keyboard and mouse combo have and how you can go about making the best use of it. Then you have a little RedGear sticker in case you wish to proudly show off that you own one of these devices. Then you have a little mini DVD or CD with the software for the keyboard and mouse. And here is the keyboard. Top surface has a shiny metallic upper. The cable is braided, as you can see, and the connector is USB 2.0. There are only 4 contact pins on the inside. The switch caps can be pulled out, and we see rubber dome switches on the inside. These are the ones which are rated for 5 million key presses per switch. And aside from that, you have little indicators on the top for the scroll caps and numlock. On the underside, you have 2 adjustable feet with rubber inserts for additional grip. And on the bottom, you also have 2 rubber feet. Then you have the mouse. Again, this too comes with a braided cable and uses a USB 2.0 interface. It's a fairly large-sized mouse, and you have the left click, the right click, scroll wheel, which also doubles up as a click buttons. 2 switches, which we are assuming would be for the DPI adjustment, and 2 additional switches on the side for certain games that can make use of it properly, and also for web browsing. On the underside, you have 4 large PTFE feet, and there's the sensor in the center. That's it for the unboxing of the RedGear G20 gaming keyboard and mouse combo. Thank you for watching.